glitter text in Illustrator. Today I'm going to show you 2 easy and quick ways to make glitter text in Adobe Illustrator. Let's get started, shall we? So in Illustrator we're going to make a new file. I already have one prepared for this tutorial, but you can go to File, then choose New, whichever size you like. For this particular one I chose the predefined postcard, which you can find on the Art and Illustration. And you will also need a couple of pictures of glitter. You can find free-to-use pictures on Pixabay, Pexels, Unsplash. There are lots of different sites. I will link the ones I used in the description of this video. And then we will take our type tool and type text. Choose your preferred font. I think I'm going to use this one. I'm not going to say it out loud because it might trigger something. So glitter text, that's one. And I'm going to start with a picture of silver glitter. I think somewhere around here. Now select your text, and in the Pathfinder window, which if it isn't visible you can make visible by going to the upper menu window and then choosing Pathfinder. And in the Pathfinder window with your text selected, click the icon to the right. I like to call it the hamburger icon because with a little imagination it looks like a hamburger. You choose make compound shape. Now keep your text selected and shift click your image, and then right click and choose make clipping mask. And there you have a glitter text. You can, if you don't like the placement of your image, when you double click you can move the image around and then make some adjustments, and then press escape to exit the isolation mode. But yeah, it's as simple as that. Now we have a glitter text. I also have a red picture, but looking at this one, I think this one might be difficult to get the same glitterness, if I can call it that, as the one from just before, but we can try. So take your text tool, I like to enlarge it this way. You can also use a bigger size of font, of course. Text selected in the Pathfinder window, click on the icon to the right and choose make compound shape. With the text still selected, shift click the image and right click to make a clipping mask. Yeah, it's a sort of glitter text, but I think the silver one was better. It's really a lot of playing around with it until you find what you like best. Okay, and then I also had a green one. Might also be nice. So once again, text tool, and then with the text selected, icon to the right on the Pathfinder window, make a compound shape. Take your image, shift click the image and make a clipping mask. Yes, this one is also nice. Yeah, this one is nice also. So we have a green one a red one, and I think this one is the nicest, the silver one. Okay, that was the first way to make a glitter text. The second option we're going to show now. So take your type tool in white, because I think this effect looks best when you do it with a white text. So with your text selected, go to Effect and then choose Artistic, and there we choose the film grain. As you can see, it sort of looks like glitter. You can play around with it, mostly the highlight area, no, not the highlight area, the grain and the intensity make a lot of difference. But again, with this one, it's also playing around a bit until you find what looks nice. And then you press OK. And it's sort of a glitter text, but I like the glitter one where you use a picture more, because yeah, it's glitter. So this one or that one, whichever one you like best. So that was it for this tutorial. I hope you liked it. Be sure to leave a comment below, like it if you liked it, and subscribe if you haven't already. Keep this text safe, because in the next tutorial we're going to use this one in 3D composition. Not going to say much more because spoilers, but yeah, keep it safe, and then hope to see you in the next one.